Hello everyone, this is Suyog Bagul and now I am going to show you our project code. So I have done this code in Arduino software, Arduino 1.8.13. Our project title is Material Sorting Machine, and for this our project model, this is our project code. And now I am going to show its virtual interfacing, like how it will work and give our output. So for this I have used this Arduino Uno Atmega 328P. First we will go to tools. Here you can see this is Arduino Uno, it is already selected, and then the port which is Arduino Uno. Yes, then we will compile our code. You can see the compiling is done, that is this code is error free now. You can see the code here. Okay, then we will upload it onto the Arduino board, and it's uploading, and now it's done. So for virtual simulation we have to go to tools again, then go to serial monitor. As you can see, this is serial monitor, and as we have used RGB color model, red, green and blue, so our mechanism will detect the objects by its color. So the colors will be red, green or blue. So by this serial monitoring you can see our sensor will identify the color characteristics by such values. You can see this in serial monitor, the values are coming now. And there is also one thing I want to show you. This is in again tools, serial plotter, in which we can see the graph, the characteristics of those colors sensed by that particular sensor. And we have used the color sensor as TCS3200 and two DC motors, and of course our Arduino. Yeah, so you can see this graph which is showing the characteristics of the color, that is red, green, blue. It is of varying nature, as you can see this, and it is showing us the intensity of color, its various characteristics like its peak and value, and other particular parameters like in how much range it will sense and what will be its positioning, etc, etc. So yeah, and we have set the standard baud rate of 9600. We can change it, but as it is standard I have kept this. So you can see this graph, this will continue up to a mark. So by this we have concluded that our program is working very fine. It is showing the output in serial monitor, serial plotter, and the virtual interfacing is done here with the components. Okay, thank you for watching this video.